Repair own. Proceed as planned. Timeline is fixed.
Acknowledge.
Cross didn't respond right away. He looked at me, then back toward the lights. Finally, he keyed the mic again, acknowledged moving to Overwatch position. We split into 2 teams. Cross, Granger and I moved easto, get a better angle on the main entrance. Salazar and Whitaker held position to cover our flank. The closer got, the stronger that smell became. Diesel mixed with something burnt like metal left too long in a furnace. My throat tightened with every breath. Fromer positioned behind a fallen tree, I could see the facility clearly now. Chain-link fence topped with razor wire, guard towers on each corner. Floodlights positioned every 30 meters. The main building was concrete, squat, and windowless, built into the hillside. Side it sat 2 shipping containers and a covered truck bay. The vehicles I'd seen earlier were civilian pickups modified with roll bars and mounted lights. They circled the perimeter in a loop, never stopping. But what caught my attention was the second building, smaller, set back from the main structure connected by a covered walkway. No lights inside, but I could see exhaust venting from the roof. Something was running in there. Something big enough to need constant ventilation. Granger tapped my shoulder and pointed left. 2 guards stood near the main gate, rifles slung, smoking cigarettes. They looked relaxed, talking, not scanning. Beyond them, I saw more movement inside the fence. Figures moving between the buildings carrying equipment. Too many for a skeleton crew. I counted at least 8, maybe 10. Cross whispered into the mic. Reaper 2, you seeing this? Salazar's voice came back low. Affirmative. Count as high earth and briefed. Also picking up radio chatter. Multiple frequencies, not local militia. These guys are coordinated. That changed everything. We weren't dealing with low-level guards. Whoever was running this site had organization, discipline, and resources. The kind that doesn't show up unless the operation matters. I checked my watch. 347 hours? We had less than 3 hours until sunrise. If we were going to move, it had to Benno. But Cross hesitated. I could see it in his posture. The way he kept scanning fence line, looking for something that didn't add up. Then the radio crackled. Not our frequency. Something goes bleeding through on an open channel. A voice speaking Spanish. Fast and urgent. I caught fragments. Convoy